spray paint. So what I'm saying is, if you don't have the bottle caps around, you can order them online, $7.99 for a big bag of them. They're just a great medium to paint and to decorate with.
Fun projects for the kids, too.
Great for the kids. You can't mess it up. You're gonna do red, I'm gonna do blue, and you have a white coat on, of course, which is great. So, once these are dry, and this can be done for any holiday, you guys. Can be Christmas, this can be Halloween, this can be Hanukkah. Pop off the red ones, you got Hanukkah. So, you need, you need a circular form, styrofoam. This happens to be wood. It's painted white. And basically, all you need is your good friend, the glue gun, and I know you love crafting, Rachel. I love it.
But I love her, so it's okay.
It's a good balance.
We balance. I bring the wine, and I watch her craft.
Wine and craft. You're gonna do that. And we're gonna do this in layers. So we just bring in every color, layer by layer. Yeah? We're gonna finish off this little, you're fast. Oh, you're fast.
This little space?
This is kind of like cooking. It's like frosting and cookies. So we're gonna fill it with white, then the blue, then the red. What you want on top to hang this guy is a sculptural ribbon, a ribbon that has those little wire sides. You know what I'm talking about? You can buy with or without. When you have the wire, you can sculpt it into a beautiful bow, even if you're a terrible bow tire like myself.
What are you saying, Genevieve? I'm holding hot glue.
I made this bow. And I need help, as much help as I can get to disguise a knot. So, you see, you can just scrunch up these little tails and you have a professional looking bow, and you can hang this anywhere in your house for practically no money. Bravo.
Okay, show me. It looks good.
All right. Good job. Okay. Now, this goes beyond craft and a little bit more into my design category. Yeah? Oh, not that. We're gonna do the cans. Okay. So, with canned foods, we all have cans in our house. These are great vessels for luminaries. What are luminaries? They're little lights that we can put anywhere, and they glow and they hover and they're romantic.
So cool.
And at night they're lovely. So you can create your own stencils. This one we just did a star for the 4th of July. They're at night. You see?
So pretty.
It's free. Hello. You don't need to buy anything. Yes. So basically, we create these stencils. We then draw them out on the can. But why I'm not going to poke through this can is because it is frozen. Okay? Fill it with water. You freeze it so it's solid. And then you want to hold this?
I want to hit something.
You want to hammer?
I want to hit something.
Not me. You're going to hammer, just make little spots along this star. And it's surprisingly easy how it pops through once it's frozen. See, she's already through and the hole's already there. I think the metal changes as well when it's frozen, so it's easier to puncture.
I'm really good at this.
This is really fun, right? This is a little bit more rough, like us.
I'm good at this.
All right, so you keep punching. We did
until you get the whole design.
Fireworks. You could do your children's initials.
But it's very easy. I did 5 holes, nothing.
Again,